Hello guys, how are you doing? Actually, a lot of friends were asking for the detailed video to how to take a start of forex trading, like forex trading, and how to take start and sign up for the account. Okay, and how to use MT4 we use MT4 for trading purpose. Like this is a trading platform we actually use for open the trade and close the trade. Okay, well, first of all, forex trading is an exchange of forex trading is if we do a physical transaction of currencies in against of foreign currency, I'm going to buy a US dollar, and that will be considered a forex physical transaction. If I do this kind of transaction through mobile and laptop, that will be considered a forex trading. It's that simple. Like forex market is the biggest market in the world with trading volume of $5 trillion per day, uh, and this real estate comes on the second number. Well, real estate is also have a good number, but nobody beats the forex market. Okay, well, how to take start and how can we sign up for the forex trading? I will provide you the link for sign up purpose. Well, you just need to click on a sign up link, and you will come here. Okay, well, you need you need to put here your country, through you can verify your account. Right now, like I'm in Pakistan, I will type here Pakistan. Here I will put the email. Well, here we need to set a password, like anything we can type here, mm, then we just need to click on a continue. Well, there is a lot of forex broker, but I prefer to use Exness. Exness is much better than others. Like they provide multiple options to deposit and withdraw the funds, and I will show you. Like when you sign up the account, the next page uh, will show that like that. Then we will go for a demo account. I can show you how to trade. Exness. We will click on Exness terminal. This is the forex uh, trading platform for on Exness, but this is not a convenience. So I will prefer to log out the first this account, and we will log in again. Let me show you how. And then, if you just need to click on a open new account and click on a try demo. So you guys just need to do a practice first, so you can understand, and learn how we can do a trade. We cannot take a risk on real funds. First we just need to practice. Click on a demo, then second MT4. uh, Maximum leverage is best. You can set here a balance like 1000. Make sure, you just need to set a currency pair as a USD. It's already set here. uh, Demo account. Again, you just need to put a password here and create account. Okay. Well, have you noticed like we have set our demo account in MT4, which is also called a MetaTrader 4. Well, this is an actual convenient and easy trading platform we use for trade purpose. Okay, here we have our demo account ready. So to go on a trading platform, we have to download the first MetaTrader 4. Here we have already MetaTrader 4. In short, we type MT4. I already have downloaded it, so I just click on a trade button and it's automatically take me to the MT4, and we just need to put here the password, save password and sign in. Not for now. And here our demo account is successfully logged in. Well, in bottom here we have a five options. First is a currency list. Here is the all currencies we can trade. Well, the price of buy and selling is different. In next video I will explain further like what the minor things. Here we can search for the more currencies like USD CAD, USD dollar or Canadian dollar. Well, next is crypto like BTC USD. All things we will find here. Well, the next option is the second one is graph. Okay, well, let me put out the gold first. We can also trade the gold in forex market. XAU USD. Well, this is a symbol of gold. When we click on it, uh, open chart, we automatically uh, come on the second option. Well, this is a graph. Okay, well, this is a candles. Through candles we will predict like where the market will go, like the gold will go up or down. Well, this is a 5 minute time frame. We click on a H4, then one candle will be of 4 hours. The third option is our balance. If we deposit our real funds, the real funds will be sure, but as I told you, like this is a demo account. Well, the demo funds are showing here. Well, the balance, equity and free margin, all things I will elaborate in next videos. Okay, here I will show you the how to open a trade. Well, let me see first. I can see a big wick here, so we can expect like might be there is minor support here. So we just click on a plus button on right. Well, you will see that this surface. Well, here we can set up lot size, the minimal lot. So I will suggest you to always use a minimum lots so we can be stay safe. Well, I will consider it to be buy. Done. Well, on third options on bottom, we can see that the trade is running in minus 27 cents. So I'm expecting. Hmm. So we just need we can also add a TP and SL here, no? So TP means take profit and SL means stop loss. Click on a pencil button, and here we can add a TP, take profit on right hand, and stop loss on left. TP means we don't need a more profit on that price, like after that price we don't need a profit, more profit. Well, this is all going with the demo funds. Uh, if we are moving like if we want to trade with the real funds, we have to go on Exness again, click on a real, and we have to open a real account here. Open real account. Okay, real mt4, all things with mhm. Schedule 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, the real account will be appear here. Well, to deposit the real funds, we just need to click on a deposit, and here we can see a multiple options. So actually we need to uh, these options are seems locked because our account is not verified. We can deposit the funds through USDT, bank card, Bitcoin, Netclar, or local banks, Skrill. Multiple options are there. To verify the account, we just need to put our email here, mobile number, and our national ID card of front and back. That's all. Stay connect with us on WhatsApp. So if you have any question, any query regarding the forex trading, you can ask me anytime. Okay, goodbye.